Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle, but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So first of all, we have here on Google Play Temu buy as a millionaire. We have here over than 100 million dollars. As you can see, you can just start and install this Temu, or you can also click over open your browser, then you type into temu.com, and if you want to create your account, you have just to click over here and you write your email address and your password and you start with Temu. So Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profits. So also, if you want to become an affiliate program, all you have to do is resell products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable venture. So you can just tell people once you start with Temu by clicking on the link or on my link, you will get $100 and you will buy whatever you want on Temu. And also we have here products is very cheap, as you can see, and right now you can just click over affiliate and influencer earn commission if you want to become an affiliate program. So we have affiliate influencer program, and we have the first thing here: earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. Earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Try now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So we have just to click over get started, and we have here other information like high commissions, exclusive sale price, trusted brand, and other things. And if we scroll down, we have here empowering affiliates, tailored benefits for every profile. We have here authorized influencers. As a user authorized through our platform, enjoy a range of benefits including up to 20% commission, generous commission rates on orders, abundant credits, access a wealth of credits for additional perks, user download bonuses, receive rewards for every user download. We have your websites. As a registered website affiliate, enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform, high commission rates, tailored benefits. Then we have also here over than 300,000 people have joined us. Then we have here other things like we have affiliate extra rewards, we have day win here, and we have per week earn, and about referral extra rewards, we have here $100 coupon bundle. So new app users. So you can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 cup bundle after the initial downloads. Then we have free gifts here, new app users, maximize your affiliate potential. Your referral app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. Then we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. So we have three steps here: join, share, and earn. About the first step, we have enlist in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have share. Strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have earn. Achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. So this is how you can start with Temu affiliate program. So right now I will give you how you can get started, and you share your link and how you can convince people using your link. So the first application we have here is TikTok. So to earn money on Temu through TikTok, start by creating a catchy videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxings, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. And this is how it works with TikTok. And we have here some example for this girl. I just showed products. We don't need to share your face or other things. So here, as you can see, and we have various videos like that. And let's move on to Pinterest right now. So to earn money on Temu or Pinterest, you have just to create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products. Use on-catching images that descriptions to attract attention and include your affiliate link in the pin detail. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion or other things like jewelry, clothes, summer, girly, home, grunge, preppy, and other things. And then you have just to regularly update your boards with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then let's move on Reddit here, and you can also use it this one. So to earn money on Temu Reddit, join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendation, create helpful posts that will highlight popular Temu items and include your affiliate link. Following subreddit rules and then engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Then using a genuine tone to build a trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. And then you have right now the last step or the last solution to share your link. So to earn money on Temu, Instagram, and YouTube, you have just to start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products. So first we have Instagram. As you can see, you can just write your phone number and your password and you click over login and you start with Instagram. So you have just to post a catching photos or reel featuring themes and include your affiliate link in your bio. But on YouTube, you have just to create unboxing videos, review, or tutorials, plus in your affiliate link in the video description. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and TikTok and YouTube, can effectively help you earn money through Temu by creating engaging and informative content and highlights popular products and strategically sharing affiliate links. You can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business types tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.